साहिबान, कदरदान, मेहरबान, दिल थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि अब आपके सामने तशरीफ ला रही हैं आगरा की अजीम फनकारा, मलिका हुस्न नूर नजर मोहतरमा मोहिनी।
So Mrs. Madhuri Dixit has finally arrived on set. I'm so overwhelmed. I can't believe we're shooting today with Madhuri Dixit. We're shooting with a legend. It's amazing. It's the first time that like someone of that stature is going to be on our set or in my career. So it's a very big moment. It's Ranveer's introduction song in the film. That it's a song we're doing with Ranveer Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit. So it's a very exciting occasion.
लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
My dream always to work with her. I've grown up admiring her, being in love with her, and today I got a chance to dance with her, flirt with her. I kissed her on the cheek.
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू जल गई, हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई।
Coming together of Ranveer, Madhuri and Farah. While growing up, Farah was that one choreographer that we all looked up to as the choreographer in Hindi cinema. She is the choreographer of my generation.
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा।
Ranveer is a very sweet person. As an actor also I have admiration for him.
Madhuri Dixit, still so professional, she comes dot on time, she's ready. She has a bank of expressions, of dance moves. You make minor adjustments. We actors usually take a while to kind of register and kind of, attune ourselves to it and then express it. But she does it in just a second. So I've just, in these last 5 days, all I've done is just observe her, off camera, on camera, apart from being in love with her. And all of those things, I've just observed the kind of artist that she is.
Heard and seen all the films that Farah is done with, Karan and Aditya Chopra and all the great songs she's done. It's amazing that we got her to do this song. It was a total amazing opportunity.
We always left the song for the end because it's the introduction of the character. We wanted somebody really special in the song. Someone who could build the curiosity of the movie, could give us a very nice, entertaining number, and also add a lot of, dignity to the film. And I don't think we could have got anyone better than Madhuri Dixit.
Working with Ayan was wonderful because he knows what he wants and he knows how he wants to do the takes and what kind of expressions he wants for every shot, and he's very chilled out basically.
Every director I have worked with or I am working with right now has come on set to just have a glimpse of Madhuri Dixit. There was Anurag Basu, Anurag Kashyap, Imtiaz's family was here. Everybody just wants to see her.
I mean, it's coming together of two huge personalities in Hindi cinema. One who is sort of, the torchbearer of the future, and one like a legend from the past. Two amazing dancers. It was such a privilege. I mean, I cannot believe that in this film of mine, we managed to bring both of these actors together. Yeah, that's the song. The song is called Ghagra. It's got Ranveer Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit, and it's going to be amazing.